Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Christina, your fashion and beauty advisor. Today's inspiration for the makeup tutorial is going to be another HALSEY's video, and this is Finally Beautiful Stranger. So the look that I'm going to recreate today is going to be this one. However, do you think this reminds you of something? Yes, that is correct. I definitely think that this is a modern interpretation of Roger the Rabbit. So, without any further ado, let's jump on to the actual tutorial. As always, her face is extremely airbrushed, so this can only be achieved by Photoshop. I'm trying to recreate as much as possible the porcelain-like skin, but of course no one has such a perfect skin. So I just applied one layer of foundation to even out my complexion, and I'm going to directly jump onto the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use this palette, and then I'm going to use a mixture of this, probably this and this color, because I can definitely tell that there's a little bit of reddish here in the beginning, and then this is more defined. Jumping onto the eyes, I'm going to use this SHISEIDO Accentuating Cream Eyeliner. So the line that I'm going to draw is basically following the crease line. Start the line just somewhere here so that we try to elongate the eye. And up next, I'm taking this white Aquacolor from KRYOLAN, create the consistency that I want, and I want to fill it into this section. So starting with a thin line here, I'm using the Hyperblack 65 Calligraphie du Chanel. When the eyeliner is completed, I'm going to take this Chanel Candeur and Experience 268 palette, use this reddish color right here, and use probably three kind of brushes so that I can go with that reddish color into the crease. So I'm just gonna start first with the smaller one, and then I am blending. I want the line here to be fine and then go and grows here by going outwards. With a brown pencil, I'm gonna create a very thin line up to the middle here under the eye and smudge it very well. And with the light brown color, like this one from the Candeur and Experience, I'm just gonna seal it and basically smoke it out. I'm taking the nudes palette again, using this white color. I'm also adding on the waterline the Studio Chromographic Pencil Crayon Multi-Usage from MAC. I'm going to apply fake Eyeliner corner lashes and be back. Right, and the eye makeup will be completed when I add the crystals on my eyes. For the mouth shape, I'm trying to extend it more here. Try to make it narrow on this side and then wider and quite extended down below. I'm going to apply this shade right here from INGLOT. I'm going to highlight the face. And lastly, I need lots of blush. I'm gonna take the Pink Lily Cashmere Pressed Blush by a Nude by Nature. And that's it, that's the final look. Thank you all for watching this video today. I really hope you like it, and if you do, please like and comment down below what you think about the makeup look and what other preferences do you have for future makeup tutorials. Thank you for watching today, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.